Hello, this video presents a delicate knit with a beautiful and unique relief and texture. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we work with the stitches in groups of 3. Purl the first loop. Purl the second and the third together. Make a yarn over loop. And again purl them together. Again, purl 1, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. Again, purl 1, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, we work with the stitches in groups of 4. Slip the third stitch on the right hook, without knitting, by passing the first 2 through it. Make a yarn over, and knit 3 loops together through the back. Again, slip 1, yarn over, knit 3 together. Again, slip 1, yarn over, knit 3 together. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, on this row, things get easier. Purl all the loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 4 right side, we keep up a similar manner. Knit all the loops from the beginning to the end of the row. I have presented you with a unique knit with its attractive relief, appropriate for each yarn and every season. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.